I'm standing here outside Punjab House along with the Information Secretary of the PMLN, who's been here through and through during the talks which took place between the PPP as well as the PMLN, along with all its twists and turns. Let's ask him straight away. Mr. Essen, could you tell us a bit about what's been going on and especially what has transpired from this meeting between the Prime Minister and the respective party heads?
As you know that the two crises which have really caused a lot of uncertainty in the country's politics are the restoration of the judges issue as well as the future of General Musharraf. And there were marathon sessions yesterday and today, and we were trying to find solution and consensus on these issues. And then also the issue of restoring the constitution to its original shape by repealing the 17th Amendment. Tomorrow, the leadership of both parties will address a joint press conference, and inshallah, I hope that there will be good news for the nation.
Can you confirm to our viewers that the agreement has already been reached to reverse the controversial reappointment of the judges, and that the judges will be reinstated according to Murray Declaration, and also that President Musharraf will be impeached? Can you confirm that?
Well, I can say that an understanding has been reached on all important issues, and tomorrow we will, inshallah, present the outcome of our consultations before the nation, and I am very hopeful that it will be a positive outcome.
And about this irritant, which was this reappointment of the judges, it's also said through our sources that the linchpin of all this was Mr. Farooq H. Naik, the Minister for Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs. Can you affirm that?
No, I don't know who was the source, but what I can certainly say that we thought that it was not in good taste, because if we are seeking restoration of judges in light of Murray Declaration, then the piecemeal restoration by giving them oath would have legitimized General Musharraf's 3rd November action of dismissing the judges. So we hope that we will be able to find solution to this problem as well, and there will be a comprehensive understanding between the two parties, because both parties agree to restoring the judges in light of Murray Declaration.
Finally, Mr. Ehsan, the good news can only be that the coalition will stay intact, the judges will be reinstated, and also that the President Musharraf will be impeached. This can only be the good news coming our way.
Let's hope. You just need to wait few more hours.
Thank you very much for this. Viewers, this was Information Secretary of the PMLN saying that tomorrow we await another good news, and it has been said again and again from Punjab House in Islamabad. It's Aman Azhar.